Hello everybody! Today we would like to show how you can share your location on an iPhone 14 series device. So the most general way to do that by the default means of the system is with the help of the pre-installed Apple application that is called Find My, which you gotta launch. While opening it for the first time, you gotta give it the location permission, probably enable the location services that you can do by going into the settings, then entering the privacy and security category, location services, and simply turn this toggle on, just like so. After that, once the location services are successfully enabled, as well as the Find My app is set up, nothing hard about setting up, really, just customize the preferences a little bit. From here, if you would like to share the location with somebody in particular, open the people section at the very bottom, then go for the start sharing location button, add the contact that you would like to share your location with, just choose it. Already, let me do just that real quick. For some reason I cannot share it with some contact. Just hold on. Let me just do it the other way around. I'll just enter the contact name over here. I have the suspense that by tapping on this plus sign you're not able to like add some contact that you will share your location with, rather edit the contacts that you have or add a new one, and then be able to search it up at this pop-up menu. So just enter the contact name that you would like to start sharing the location with, tap on OK and send. So in here you can choose whether you would like to send the location for an hour, show your location until the end of the current day, or share indefinitely, which will basically share location permanently until made otherwise. So I'll just choose to share it indefinitely, and this contact of mine that I've just added will be displayed at the People tab right here, and it clearly states that this particular person can see my location. From here you can tap on it and stop sharing the location and configure notifications for him and what's not. Already, as it comes to sharing location on an iPhone 14 series device, that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.